What's up guys? I'm so excited to show you my homemade pheasant mount. Now this isn't any ordinary stuffed pheasant mount. This is a tail feather and wing mount with a plaque. So first off, you gotta make your plaque. I used a plaque that I wood burned into. So 2025, that's the year we shot the pheasant. And then this is the Greek word for hunter. I'm so excited because my cousin actually shot his first pheasant and I am gonna do this mount for him as a Christmas gift. What you're gonna do is you're going to separate the meat from the wings and the tail feather as best you can. Whatever's left over, which should be minimal, you're going to borax overnight. You're gonna let the wings dry out for one night. The next night, you're gonna add that borax. Let it sit for a whole day, and then you can come back to this and mount it. The borax dries that meat out, so you're able to mount it and it won't smell and rot later on. You're gonna need super glue, you're going to need finished nails, you're gonna need 2 wall plaques, you're gonna need a wall hanger for the back, and you're also going to need a wood stain and just some time. So here we go, this is the mount. The reason I did hunter on it is he's got a little Greek background with his wife. We've been to Greece together and it just looks really cool and I thought it would have some meaning to him. There should be a lot of meaning in this. Hopefully this pheasant mount turns out good. First of all, you're gonna need the tail feathers cut off from the pheasant. So you're gonna wanna keep the wings, and then the talons, or I guess the feet, are optional. I'm gonna see how they look on it, and then I'm gonna see how they look off of it. So let me put this all together, and you're gonna see exactly how it looks. I'm just using super glue, and I might use some staples on the back to keep it really in place, but I need to spread out the wings so it's nice and wide. Mount plaques from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. They're unfinished, so I could wood engrave them, and then I stained it, and I'm gonna put one on the front, one on the back, just like this. That way you can hang it flush to the wall, and this isn't sticking out so much. So I'm gonna make these nails flush, squish it together as tight as I can go, and then I'm gonna screw it in from the back side so it squeezes it nice and tight. So while that glue dries, I have my finished nails spreading out the wings so they're nice and spread out. Let's see how the front looks. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good. Okay, so I just finished up the mount. Here it is. I'm really happy how this turned out. You got a nice fanning of the tail feather. The wings are nice and splayed. I really do like adding the feet. I was gonna leave them out, but it just adds a little feature to the bottom. Look at this, a cheap DIY pheasant mount that just looks awesome. I'm really excited to give this to him. Hopefully I can get that on video. But just so you can kind of see how it's made. 2 of these wall plates, $5.99 for 2 at Hobby Lobby. And then I just found a screw that was long enough to screw them together. And I have those finished nails holding those wings splayed out, as well as super glue. So really cheap, really short time. Took me about 30 minutes to make.